who is present here. He is my teacher, Dr. Jadev Datta sir, Mr. Namalbora sir, guest, secretary, President Mr. Bhadreswar Sakya sir, Mrs. Saraswati Para ma'am, and all who are gathered here. It is my honor and privilege to stand in front of you as a principal of this renowned institution. First of all, I would like to wish all a happy Teachers' Day. The word teacher has a significant meaning. I would like to tell the meaning of each letter, how great the meaning of each letters. The first letter, T stands for truthfulness. E stands for eligibility. A stands for ability. C stands for character. H stands for humbleness. And E stands for eagerness. And R stands for responsibility. So my dear students, teacher has the significant meaning. A person cannot be a teacher by chance. It should be their choice. And fortunately, it is my choice to become a teacher. You might have studied many stories about Mrs. Thompson and small kid, Teddy. Many of the parents might be knowing the story. I am not going to tell the story. I would like to tell what was the importance of the story. There we could say Mrs. Thompson, and there was a little student, small child, who was untidy in the initial stage. Later, the small child, Theodore Teddy, considered Mrs. Thompson as his mother. So, teachers are second parents. There is no one in the world who can act really except teachers. So, teachers are the real actors. Teacher, you can say, teachers can change their mood in a fraction of seconds. How wonderful it is. Few days back, I would like to tell our one story. First standard students came to me and they said, the person who did little bit mischievous work in the class, she came to me and said, one of my friends said me to put some color on his face. She drew something on her friends actually. She immediately came to me and said that, sir, one of my friends said me to draw something on her face, so I did it. Then I said, I called that student also, and I said, look at her. Is she feeling happy now? Look at her now properly. Then she herself felt guilty. She disappointed herself and said, I am sorry, sir. See, such a, innocent children we could see in our school. How innocent they are. They themselves saying that and they are themselves regretting that I did the mistake. I have to apologize. And I told you, touch your ears, both ears you touch, and you say sorry to her. Then immediately, that small first standard kid said that I am sorry, and she was very happy. So that means teacher can make a child in a fraction of second very happy. There are so many questions regarding the teachers because generally teachers are not having much scores in their exams. How much the teachers are doing for the students. I would like to say some more things. A C-grade student, a teacher can make her encouraged, make her motivated and target her to do something better in future. And even A-grade student who has scored A-grade student, teacher can make the child miserable and could say that you could do more than that. So that is teacher's work. So greatest actors in the world, even Shah Rukh Khan cannot compete teachers. Real actors teachers actually. Shah Rukh Khan you can see on the television, but teachers are real actors. Nobody can, defeat a teacher. My inspiration is sitting in front of me, Dr. Jaidev Shraddha sir, who has always inspired me, who has always motivated me in my day-to-day life. And even sir's Mrs. our Kalpana Bora madam. So both of are my inspiration. So every child there is an inspiration actually. Every child behind an inspiration. Even you can see the great persons like Swami Vivekananda. He was inspired by his teacher Ramachandra Paramhansa. Ramakrishna Paramhansa. So every person is inspired by their teacher. Now, I would like to tell some of the plans that our management, Honorable Tual Hukam sir, and all the teachers. On this great day, I would like to congratulate all the teachers, those who are sitting in front of me, because they are the pillars of our institution. Their hard work, their dedication, their supporting daily report each day before departure, their submitting daily weekly plans. Every Monday I could see all the teachers are submitting their weekly plans without delay. I told clearly, dear teachers, you have to submit every Monday your weekly plans. What are the plans you have? Week before you have to plan what are the things you are going to do. And minimum plan you have to do, don't make any maximum plan. And teachers are excellently doing their work. We have 3 prayer songs in the assembly. We have English prayer song, we have Hindi prayer song, and we have Assamese prayer song as well. And every day during the assembly, we ask our students to speak something, what they know. Every child getting a chance to speak in the assembly, what they know. Because learning from the